The second wave of COVID-19 is wreaking havoc across Europe, and in wake of the rising cases, Germany has now extended its lockdown until the end of January. Germany reported over 11,000 new infections on Tuesday, taking the total tally to nearly 1.78 million. 944 people have died due to the virus in the last 24 hours. On Tuesday, German Chancellor Angela Merkel announced the extension and added that the lockdown measures will also be tightened.
We want to extend the decisions we took in December until January 31st. And we will also have to tighten up resolutions in some areas for the reasons I have just mentioned. In other words, we ask all citizens to restrict contacts to the absolute minimum necessary, and, in an extension of previous resolutions, we will allow private meetings with members of one's own household.
Germany launched a nationwide partial shutdown on the 2nd of November. Restaurants, bars, leisure and sports facilities were closed to contain the spread of the virus. But that failed to reduce infection figures, and the current lockdown, which closed non-essential shops and schools and further limited social contact, took effect from the 16th of December. It was initially due to run through the 10th of January. Now, for the first time, Germany has restricted non-essential travel in COVID-19 hotspots.
We have decided to take further measures in case of counties with over 200 new infections per 100,000 residents, which are to restrict the radius of movement to 15 kilometers around the place of residence, unless there is good reason for not keeping within the limited radius.
Germany, along with other EU nations, started vaccinating the healthcare and frontline workers in late December. Currently, only Pfizer has been cleared for emergency use in the European Union, and the bloc's medical regulator is still evaluating the Moderna vaccine.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.